All right, welcome back to the channel. Today it's another freaking hot summer day, but I'm gonna try to put a 350Z rear diffuser that I got from eBay on the back of my VR4. Stay tuned to see if that could be done. Okay, here we go. This is just a nice little setup right here that I got just for some pictures. These things are just so damn bright. It's so awesome. Look at that. Get blinded. So the 240's been running very nicely. Haven't been able to go out and drift yet, but I'm still scouting out for some spots that I can do some activities in. So we'll see. I do need a new radiator for it, just so that I make sure that the temperature is all good. I do have a new temp gauge for it, so I'll put that in at some point. But today the main focus is going to be on the VR4 once again. I have a 350Z diffuser that's just chilling in the garage. Let's go have a look. Okay, so here is the whole diffuser. I think I have all the parts for it. This has been sitting around since, oh God, like 6 months ago. So I've been having this in my garage, but I've never got the time to actually figure out how to do this. So today we're gonna try to figure it out. This only fits a 350. So it's a top secret diffuser from eBay. Basically, yeah, it's kind of a nice finish right here, it's a little banged up, but basically it's just one that mounts right up to a 350Z with these nice little winglets. I got the car jacked up on jack stands, and I'm gonna get ready to figure out how to mount that onto there. So here, this kit comes with all of that you see here. I love these little winglet things. I need to know where I can find just those things, because those will go great on all cars. But it's got some mounting bracket here, mounting bracket here. I think these go like that. Okay. And then it comes with these things, but I'm not sure how I'm going to use this, so I bought one of these as well, just in case I need another bracket. So basically, I just got to find some mounting points and then stick that on there. So I'm going to just maneuver this around and figure out how to do this. There's one guy on Instagram that has this on his 3000GT. I'll link his description right here somewhere, and I'll show you guys a picture right now. So from that picture, you can see that he had this kind of cut off. So he sent me a couple of images on what he did. So basically, this whole thing is getting cut. Just to fit these exhaust pipes. Okay, let's go. This mocked up with a water cooler, so it's kind of sitting like this for now. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a bracket and mount this to that portion up front, and then this to that, and do that on both sides, and I think we'll be good to go. Maybe another mounting point down here, but this is not touching that portion. So yeah. here's the rear diffuser all mounted up. So let's have a closer look. So what I did was I just bolted this thing to the car itself, and then it came with these brackets that were meant to hold this up, and I just used this as a add-on to the diffuser, and then I just bolted it here. Zip tied it a little bit to the bracket just because it just sits at a weird angle. So that's just gonna help stabilize it, but this is the main thing that holds it on, and the way it sits on this little fin thing, it will just stay flush like that. So if I move it around, it's very rigid, so that's good. Right here, both my brackets are forward, so I mean, I could mount it to something from like the gas tank, but if I touch it, look, so it's pretty stable, I think. It could be better, so I'm gonna test drive it a little bit and see if it sags or not. And then right here, these mounting bolt holes, it just didn't really reach down there, so I ended up doing just 2 straight to the body where this portion is. So these are like longer self tappers, and then yeah, same thing on this side. See that? That looks pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna lower this car, and then I'll show you guys what this looks like. So here is what it looks like with the car lowered and sitting on the ground. I'll probably add some more reinforcement brackets down there, but that's looking pretty good. It's kind of hard to see because it's sunrise right now, or early in the morning. But yeah, and then all these little smudges I have to like clean up. But that's kind of how it sits when you cut it with these exhausts. So yeah, let me know if you guys think this is helpful. Where they don't really make a rear diffuser for these cars, so my friend Mike with a 209 VR4, he made his own, but he's got the jagged ones, and this one I really like because I don't have to do all that, and I can just put a 350Z rear diffuser on my car with just a little bit of cutting and some bolting on the body. So let me know what you guys think, how this looks. It's very subtle, but it really completes the look. All right, guys, that's it for this episode. I'm gonna give this car a wash, and then we'll move on to the next one. Until next time, leave me a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.